Alright gang, today's video is a little different, but trust me, it's a big one. I want to ask you something before we get into it. Would it be right if I took a few minutes to tell you about something I've been working on for the last 9 months? Because honestly, this might be the most important thing I've ever made. I know you come to this channel for social media tips, marketing strategies, and ways to build your career as a DJ or music producer, and I promise what I'm about to share is going to help you do exactly that. So if you're cool with that, let's talk about something I'm really excited about. It's my brand new book, Gather, Give and Grow. For years I've been helping DJs and producers understand how to use social media, grow their fan base and get booked. And for a long time I've wanted to take everything I've learned about Instagram and put it into a book. And I know this industry can be hard. I've watched DJs struggle to get noticed, producers grind away making incredible music, and no one hears because the content strategy is wrong. You as artists pour your energy into Instagram with no results, and I've been there too. I've had to figure this all out. How to grow, how to get booked, and how to stand out. And that is why this book exists. I've spent the last decade helping artists break through using Instagram, and I've seen the same struggles over and over. DJs who can mix for days but can't figure out Instagram. Producers with insane talent but no audience or poor content to hear their music. So I thought, why not put this all in one place? A step-by-step playbook that makes sense for artists. I've seen some of my favourite creators and industry leaders do this, and I've always believed that a book is like an album. You don't just drop it, you build up to it, you refine the message, and you make sure there's an audience for it. You test and learn. And I've tested on my own channels, and I've tested on data transmissions. I've run experiments, I've studied what makes content blow up. I've helped DJs at every level, from producers to bedroom DJs to festival headliners, figure out their social media and Instagram. And what I've realised is the ones who succeed don't just post content, they follow a system that actually works, and that is what Gather, Give and Grow is all about. Now, after 10 years of artist development, working with DJs and producers, over 600 of them, seeing thousands of you download my free resources, and building a following of 60,000 plus across my Instagram, YouTube and Discord, I knew it was time to put this all into something bigger. With over 20 years of dance music, running a blog, radio station, record labels, events, and mentoring artists, I've seen firsthand what works and what doesn't, and what actually gets DJs and producers noticed. This book is the roadmap to making Instagram work for you, so you can grow your audience, land gigs, and get signed. Last summer, I started planning this book. I spent the last 9 months pulling it all together, digging into my own strategies, reviewing my content, and transcribing every panel conversation I've been on to make sure nothing got left out. And let me tell you, oh my God, you learn so much about writing a book. Like anything, it's a slog. You go back and forth and edits on edits and page layouts, and somehow you never look right. Literally full of rewrites, the entire sections. It's been a lot of fun. But honestly, it's been worth it, because I knew this had to be this book that truly helps DJs and producers master Instagram and grow their brand. This wasn't just me sitting down and writing a few chapters. This was rebuilding everything I know, challenging what works, cutting the fluff, and making sure that I was going to put this out. It had to be a book that DJs and producers actually need. This isn't another content strategy book. This is about turning your Instagram into a real tool for your career. So what is Gather, Give and Grow all about? It's a step-by-step Instagram blueprint for DJs and producers to take control of your social media and grow your audience and turn followers into fans. It's built around my 3G strategy, the same approach I've used to help DJs grow, land gigs and get signed. So gather, optimize your profile, craft your content that stops the scroll and attracting new fans using Instagram's latest algorithm insights. Give, create valuable, engaging posts, stories and reels that showcase your personality and builds deeper connection with your audience. And grow, turning your casual followers into super fans, building relationships that matters, and using smart content and strategies to expand your reach. This isn't just theory, it's a proven practical guide based on what's actually working right now. Inside, I cover everything on how to structure content, how to make the algorithm work for you, and how to grow an audience that actually supports your music. If you're a DJ or producer who's struggled with growing your Instagram, getting bookings, or feeling stuck on what to post, this book is for you. And if you're already building momentum and want to take things to the next level, this book's for you. It's for anyone serious about turning their music career into something real, not just a hobby. Now, I don't ask for much on this channel, but this This is a big one for me. Just like you aim for a Beatport #1, I'd love to hit the Amazon top of the charts, and I need your help to do this. If you've ever found value in my videos, my free downloads, or the advice I share, this is one thing I'd love you to support me with. You can go and grab a book today in this, the hardback, or this, the paperback, or on Kindle. But for those of you who want it on Audible, it'll be soon. I'm doing these two first. Hit the link in the description and grab a copy, and let's make some noise together. Or comment 3G's book and I'll send you the link. This isn't just another book launch. It's about giving you a real strategy that works, and I want you to be part of this from day one. Let's show the industry that independent artists can take control, build their brands, and actually make a career out of this. And if you know other DJs or producers who needs this book, send them this video, please. Actually, let's add an extra bonus offer. And because I want to make this a special launch, I've got a little extra for you. If you can go and grab 5 copies of this book in either the hardback or the paperback, whether it's for your DJ crew, your producer friends, or just to support, I'll send you one of these, the exclusive Gather, Give and Grow t-shirts for free, like this one. They're not going to be for sale anywhere. You can't just get them anywhere else. These are for the people that support the book and support this book massively. Just send me your receipt via email and I'll get it sorted for you. This is the start of something big. Let's gather, give and grow and take your careers to the next level. Thank you.